So friend, in this tutorial you will learn how can you make this type of 3D pop-up effects in Canva. First, go to Canva and create new design here. Select video. After, choose 9:20 1080 resolution. First, go to Elements tab. Then here you have to search in photo. I think this may be the perfect one. Just fit like this. Then after, go to Tools, and here go to Lines, and so this is the line here, and let's move this like this. After, increase size, let's minimize. Ctrl D for duplicate and rotate, decrease, drag here, Ctrl D, turn, again Ctrl D. After, just drag like this. Little bit rotate, and a little bit increase the size also. Okay, now change the color to the white. Copy the style, paste. No, it's a mistake. And change color to the white. Now, share, download, and we have to download as PNG. Let's click download. And after, just delete this and drag. Then after, increase the size. Now go to Edit, and after, go to here and the Magic Grab, and choose the brush, and now decrease the brush a little bit, and now paint here, and click OK. Then after, delete this part. Now go to Edit and click on Shadows and or Curve Shadow like this. Then I'm going to go to Elements and now decrease the transparency and and fit like this. Now the background. Then I have to increase the transparency to 100. Crop it like this. Okay friend, this one is the final result. Okay guys, if you wanna learn more about Canva, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.